Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving, but suddenly your gear shifts become rough or completely unresponsive. You check your scanner and there it is. P0903, Clutch Actuator Circuit High. This means there's too much voltage in the clutch actuator circuit, which can damage critical components and affect shifting performance. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the exact sensor locations, causes, and how to fix this issue step by step. DTC P0903 occurs when the clutch actuator circuit receives excessive voltage, causing erratic clutch engagement or gear shifting problems. This issue is most common in automated manual transmissions and dual clutch transmissions. Common symptoms include harsh, delayed or failed gear shifts, check engine light or transmission warning light on, loss of power while accelerating, car stuck in one gear in limp mode, and jerking or hesitation during shifts. Clutch actuator motor location, mounted on the transmission housing near the clutch assembly, controls clutch engagement in AMT and DCT systems. Clutch position sensor location, located on or near the clutch actuator motor, sends clutch position data to the TCM. Transmission control module location, usually found inside the engine bay or near the transmission, regulates clutch engagement based on sensor inputs. Wiring harness and relays connect the clutch actuator motor, clutch position sensor, and TCM. Fuses related to the clutch actuator are inside the engine bay fuse box. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for precise sensor locations. What causes P0903? Faulty clutch actuator motor drawing too much voltage, short circuit in the wiring harness, defective clutch position sensor sending incorrect voltage signals, bad transmission control module, or blown fuse and damaged relays. How to fix P0903? Step 1. Check battery and alternator voltage. Overvoltage issues can stem from a faulty alternator. Step 2. Inspect fuses and wiring. Look for any burned fuses, corroded connectors, or damaged wires. Step 3. Test the clutch actuator motor. If defective, replace it. Step 4. Check the clutch position sensor. If faulty, replace and recalibrate it. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM, reprogram or replace it if necessary. If left untreated, P0903 can cause severe transmission damage and leave your car stranded. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0672, Cylinder 2, Glow Plug Circuit, P0673, Cylinder 3 Glow Plug Circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.